So I have my piece of music, and let's put it on the timeline. Wow, it is way too long. Let's look at the waveform. It looks like every 3 or 4 seconds, it repeats, or at least has a similar structure. So I'm going to take the last few, I'm going to cut it right here, and bring it to right here. But I'm going to go down one level. Since we don't need to look at visuals right now, I'm going to make the timeline really big. I'm going to mute the dialogue audio so I can just concentrate on the music. Bring this back and look at these a little closer. Let's zoom in right here. Now it looks like these waveforms are lining up quite nicely, but they might be off by a few frames. Let's zoom in even closer. Let's drag this over one. I'm going to make a cut right here. Boom, boom, and see what happens when I delete this. And I delete this. So now it repeats, 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 and then the last part is one last repeat with the ending that it was originally intended to have. So let's listen. That works quite nicely. What if it doesn't happen in the last 4 seconds, but it happens somewhere else in the song? I zoom in and I make sure that it looks good. So I'm deleting this, I'm zooming out, and let's listen to it now. Okay, that works, and we still have the original ending of the song. This song is a little bit easier to cut, but you may have a situation that you want to use a song and need to be a little bit creative in order to cut it to the correct amount of time. For more difficult pieces, you may need to use a little assistance. So let's open up Adobe Audition. Here in Audition, I'll take the song and open it up. You have to make it a new multi-track session. And in here, click Properties. Down in Remix, enable Remix. It's going to analyze the clip and tell you exactly how long it is. Right now, it's at 1 minute, 8 seconds, 0.640. Remember, our video is 30 seconds. So here, I'm going to put 30 seconds. And now Audition did the edit for us, which you can see by this jagged line, and made it 30 seconds plus or minus 5 seconds. It ended up being 34,351, but that's too long. So I'm going to go with 27 seconds and see what happens. When I type 27 seconds, then the remix duration comes out to 30.63. Let's see how it sounds. You can see because of the 3 jagged lines that 3 cuts have been made, but it comes out to almost the exact duration that we want. I want to get it back into Premiere. I'm going to go to File, Export, Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll save it, mix down session to a stereo file, and export. Then it's going to automatically open up Premiere and add the track down here. Mute these tracks and listen. And that works. We'll check the ending, and it ends at the correct time.